Hi dear students, good afternoon. In this session, we will discuss about textures of igneous rocks. The term texture is defined as the mutual relationship between of different minerals. The texture is nothing but the study of relationship between the different minerals of rock. It is determined by the silica. It is determined by the size, shape, and arrangement of these constituents. There are five categories. One is the equigranular, second is inequigranular, third one is intergrowth, fourth is directive or trachytic, fifth is vesicular texture. So first one, let us start with the equigranular texture. Majority of constituent crystal of same size is called as equigranular. Equi means equal. All grains are in equal size. All grains are in equal size is called as equigranular. Best example is granite. Granite shows coarse grains, and second one is the inequigranular texture. The first one is porphyritic, poicatic, and intergrowth texture, and the directive or trachytic texture. These all comes under inequigranular texture. Why we are calling it as inequigranular? Because the mineral, you can see the sizes of the minerals are indifferent. That's why inequigranular texture. So first one is start with porphyritic. You can see the bigger grains surrounded by smaller. Here the feldspar group of minerals are there. The bigger mineral is present along surrounding that. The smaller mineral is present. This is called as porphyritic texture. And the second one is poicatic texture. The poicatic texture, granite and cyanide porphyry shows this poicatic texture. The bigger minerals are it is covered by the thin layer of minerals. And the third one is intergrowth texture. This is intergrowth texture. During formation of igneous rocks, sometimes two or more minerals may crystalline simultaneously in a limited space, so that these type of crystals are growth internally. That's why intergrowth texture. The best example is pegmatite. And the next one is directive or trachyte. These texture formed by flow of magma. You can see the flow structure line by line. This is how the lava flows, and this texture forms formed by flow of magma during crystallization process. Crystals may arranged in parallel lines in the direction of flow of magma. The best example is trachyte and andesite. The fifth one is vesicular texture. You can see the here the vesicles means holes are present in the rocks. The best example for this vesicular texture is basalt. Basalt is the best rock for vesicular texture. Basalt shows vesicular texture. The lava contains hot gas. This gas uh, uh, escape begin to escape when the pressure is reduced, forming vesicles or holes like the structures. Sometimes cavity also forms where the huge quantity of the gas presents and that escapes from the magma. Then the cavities are forming within the rocks. The reduction in pressure takes place when the lava reacts the surface of when the lava reaches the surface of earth. You can see these type of holes in the basalts. And the next one is amygdaloidal texture. The same cavities are filled by some external mineral is called as amygdaloidal structure. The hollow holes are called as vesicular texture. Suppose the same holes are filled by the foreign material or foreign mineral is called as amygdaloidal structure. The best example for amygdaloidal texture is calcite, zeolite, silica, etc. These we can found in basalt. The engineering use. What is the engineering use?
A very good morning, students.
Engineering uses many igneous rocks, especially plutonic, have high crushing and shearing strength and are thus considered to be most satisfactory rocks for all types of engineering purposes. Compact and impervious. These rocks are compact and impervious. These will be used for foundation rocks, abutment of dams, walls, roofs, tunnels, and for the strong foundations. Okay, this is guys, this is about the igneous rocks. Guys, the next video I am going to explain about the sedimentary rocks, how these sedimentary rocks are formed and what are the structures formed, what is the classification and all. We'll discuss in the next session. Thank you.